Yo, what did I just witness? Google just dropped a nuke in the AI space, and I'm here, jaw on the floor. Hey, I'm Hassan Khan, editor at AllAboutAI, and today we're diving into Google AI Studio, that free new tool where you can generate images, screen share with an AI assistant, and get real-time help like never before. If you've been searching for a proper Google AI Studio tutorial, buckle up, this one's for you. Okay, so here's the deal. I went into Google AI Studio, chose the Gemini 2.0 Flash model. Yes, this is the same Gemini behind the chatbot. And I typed Elon Musk walking a dog, Shiba Inu on Mars. Boom, image generated. Then I said, replace the background of Mars with Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Done. Now add some Oompa Loompas. Done again. Change his outfit to Willy Wonka's outfit and make him smile. And the best part? The subject stayed consistent in every edit. That level of control? Wild. It's honestly one of the best Google AI Studio image generator features right now. If you liked what you saw, stay tuned for Google DeepMind's VEO image or text-to-video generation model. Now this part low-key broke my brain. I uploaded a single image of a character and typed, create 24 frames of this character walking, jumping, crouching, and attacking. Format it as a Sprite sheet. In seconds, I had a downloadable Sprite sheet, ready for a game engine. No animation software, no manual drawing, just pure AI Studio Google wizardry. If you're into game dev, pixel art, or indie projects, this is straight up gold. Here's what might kill YouTube tutorials, except mine, hopefully. Google AI Studio's Stream Realtime. All you need to do is click Screen Share, and voila, you have Gemini Google helping you in real time. I opened Google Sheets and said, hey, I've never used this. How do I start? It literally guided me through every step. Formatting, conditional formulas, even changing values from green to red, all while watching my screen and responding like a pro. This is what the Google AI Studio Screen Share feature is all about. And honestly, it works better than I expected. You can go ahead and try this feature for absolutely anything you don't understand on your device or outside, like AI agents, system settings, or even ask it something about what you see via your webcam or camera. It's not perfect. I tried Make Me Serious on a smiling photo of mine, and the result was, let's just say, unsettling. But still, for a free tool, it's next level. So yeah, if you've been wondering how to use Gemini Google or just want to mess around with some seriously powerful AI, head over to aistudio.google.com. It's free, it's smart, it's actually fun to use. Drop a comment with what you create, and don't forget to like, sub, and share this with your fellow AI nerds.